Student investigated the boiling point of water. He observed that water consistently boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. Which property of matter does this illustrate? Would this be letter A, physical property, letter B, chemical property, letter C, extensive property, or letter D, intensive property? Ang tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter D. Parang isa lang nakita ko nakatumpak. Ayun, dalawa, no? Genocide yung nangyari. Sabi dito, consistent, no? Consistently, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. So, anong property of matter ito? This is your intensive property. Kapag sinabi mo kasing intensive property, ito po yung isang physical property. Under po sila sa physical property, ha? Yung extensive property natin at intensive property ay parehas po na types ng physical property. Kapag sinabi po natin intensive property, no? Yan, consistent po siya. Hindi siya dependent sa amount ng matter. Okay? Kapag sinabi mo naman po extensive property, it depends on the amount of matter. No? So ano naman po yung pagkakaiba ng physical property at chemical property? Yung intensive at extensive property natin ay mga halimbawa ng physical property and po boiling point, melting point, luster, hardness, etc. No? Ang chemical property naman natin ay yung posibilidad na makapag-chemical reaction yung isang matter, no? So its capacity, its kumbaga its potential to be in a chemical reaction. Okay? That's chemical property. So here letter D ang ating hinahanap.